Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepa Barra and I'm here to inspire you all to live a deeply beautiful life. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how red light therapy works and how it helps your hair grow. So I've covered this in another video before. It was my alternative treatments for hair growth video, but I get a ton of questions from you guys because I do use red light therapy for my hair growth, and I get a lot of questions from you guys on how exactly it works and if it's worth it or not. So I really wanted to break it down for you and get kind of like on a very deep level on how it works and why I think it's beneficial. So we're gonna get into this video. Before we do, I just wanna say a quick thank you to IRESTORE for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, I do not endorse anything that I don't use myself and that I don't 100% believe in, and that didn't work for me. So I love IRESTORE because it totally worked for me. Stay tuned to the end of this video, guys, because I have a great way for you guys to save money on your own IRESTORE. Let's get into this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can find out exactly when I post my next video. So I want to kind of go into a little story time of like what I did to get my hair grow. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you'll already know about this, but for those of you that don't and you're new to my channel, about 4 years ago, I lost 70% of my hair due to alopecia, and I had like bald patches, and then I had like overall thinning and stuff like that, and I did a bunch of stuff to regrow my hair. You can check out my how I regrew my hair video if you want like the full breakdown, but I got most of it to grow in, except I had a couple, like I had one patch, I forget which side it was on, that it had filled in like the rest of my hair, but then it cleared out. I was going through a lot of stress at that point, and that's when I started researching alternative treatments for hair growth. I started using a few different things, and one of the things that I started using was the IRESTORE device. So it's this helmet that you put on your hair that has a bunch of LED lights and lasers, and it gives you red light therapy to boost your hair growth. So I was using that for about 5 months, and I started to notice results, and by the 6th month, my bald patch like completely filled in. So that's when I was convinced that this works, and I've actually seen a lot of other studies and a lot of other products that have come out since that talk all about red light therapy benefits for your skin, for your body, for your mental health as well. So there's all this stuff out there that talks about exactly how red light works and how it helps you. So I wanted to just kind of expand on that for you guys, because I know for myself, when I'm about to purchase something or I'm about to try a new treatment or anything like that, I want to know the nitty-gritty. I want to know exactly why this is beneficial, if it works, how it works. So I figured you guys are probably like that too. So that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys. So we're gonna get into what red light therapy is exactly and how it helps your hair grow. So red light therapy is basically a non-invasive treatment. Like I mentioned, it's either you can wear it in a cap. There's other devices that are sold that are like a panel. There's so many different ways that you can use red light therapy. It basically comes in the form of LED lights or laser lights, or a combination of both, like the IRESTORE. And what it basically does is, if you look at the spectrum of light wavelengths, it singles out the red light and infrared light and delivers that directly to your skin. And so it's doing this all without the UV damage that you would get directly from the sun. So if you know anything about the sun contains all of the colors of the rainbow. But with red light therapy, you're just singling out the red light part and the infrared light to deliver that directly to your skin. So you might have seen like some of those posts on Instagram where people are selling blue light blocking glasses. Blue light in particular is not the best thing for you. That's why they give you the blue light blocking glasses, because it blocks that particular color from coming through to you. So you can think of light as energy, and that energy travels through the air in a specific wavelength. The shorter the wavelength, the more energy that it has. The longer the wavelength, the more deeper it can penetrate into your skin cells. Red light and infrared light ranges anywhere between the 600 to 1000 nanometer range, which means it can basically penetrate your human tissue a little bit deeper and actually regenerate your cells. So it's really beneficial when it comes to the healing process. So now for how it helps your hair grow. In a nutshell, what it does, the light energy actually helps to keep your hair in the growth phase of the hair growth cycle. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about how the hair growth cycle works, you can check out my video on that subject. I'll link everything down in the description box for you guys so you know exactly where to access everything. Now the red light therapy, it enhances your cellular function and it gets your mitochondria to boost more ATP. And I'm going to break that down for you because I know that sounds like confusing, but I'll break it down for you guys. So mitochondria are found in basically most of your actual cells, and the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. So basically what the mitochondria do is they take the nutrients of whatever you're consuming, and then they break it down and they produce ATP. And now you're probably wondering what ATP is. Well, ATP is also known as adenosine triphosphate. And ATP is an organic compound that produces energy for most of your cellular functions. So that boost in cellular function is what keeps your hair in the hair growth cycle. So it's nourishing your follicles with energy, and it's keeping your follicles active and keeping your hair in the hair growth cycle so that it can continue to grow. So let's break it down one more time. So what does red light therapy do? Red light basically gets the mitochondria in your cells to take in the nutrients and produce more energy, or ATP, and the ATP then drives most of your cellular functions. And this whole thing is also known as cellular respiration. So the longer that you can keep your hair in the growth phase of the hair growth cycle, the better. That will dictate how long your hair is going to actually grow to. And the hair growth cycle can last anywhere up to, I think it's something like 7 years or something like that. So I'm just going to share some befores and afters with you guys of me actually using the device and how it helped me. You can see in this picture right over here, this is where I started from, and then after using it 5 to 6 months, it like totally filled in, and you can see like all of my hair now is back. Like I don't have any bald spots anywhere, and I still use the device. So I'm going to get into exactly how to use it. So this is the IRESTORE device. So it's like a helmet. I like this one more than other ones that I've seen. I've seen other ones that are like baseball caps and stuff like that. This is the IRESTORE Pro, and the thing that I like about it is that it has this extra bit at the end over here. So when you put it on, you're covering all of your hair, and you're getting that benefit, all that red light benefit to the entire scalp. Another reason why I like the IRESTORE is because it has a combination of not only lasers, but LED lights as well. So it has 282 medical grade lasers and LEDs, which is fantastic because it basically will cover your entire scalp. And because it has so many of those lights, every single spot will be covered with light, which is great. Okay, so how it works, you just wear it like a helmet. It has the cushion in it, so you can take that off if you want to. And then I have the Pro and the battery pack where you can walk around with it. You just attach the two, press the on button, you press the play button, and then you'll see that it's emitting the red lights. And you use this every other day for 25 minutes, and I still use it because I just like the idea of keeping my hair in the growth phase of the hair growth cycle. And so it's pretty low commitment, and that's it. And then all you have to do is charge your battery pack whenever it runs out. And it's very low maintenance. I mean, I usually just put it on at nighttime when I'm watching TV and stuff. And like I said, the reason why I like this one compared to other ones is the amount of LED and laser lights that they actually have in the device, plus that it covers your whole entire head. And it honestly feels like it's been made like really, really well, like it's really good quality. Okay, so now that we've gone through how red light therapy works and how it helps grow your hair and how to use the device, I'm gonna talk about how you can save. If you're watching this video right when it's released, you guys are in a great moment because they have extended their Cyber Monday deal so that you can get actually $400 off of your IRESTORE Pro. You can use the code DEEPA400, or if you wanna get the Essential, you can use the code DEEPA200. I'm going to have links and all the codes and everything down in the description box below. But after a certain date, it's going to be back to $200 off, and that code will be down in the description box below as well. That one I believe is DP200. So yes, if you guys do use it, please let me know if you have tried it, or if you tried another red light therapy device. Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys think about it. And if you have any requests for videos in the future, let me know in the comments as well. And I will see you guys soon with another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.